This is Toyota Prius 2014. Never come in here before. They coming from somewhere else. Got 312,000 miles. That's a lot of miles. Got a misfire, cylinder 1 and cylinder 2. Got an engine cooling code. Okay, stop. I already scanned. Now I select AC hybrid control. Hit enter. Hit OK. Actual test. Comparison test. Car got 312,000 miles. Okay, now we do the comparison test. Go ahead and put the brake pedal and see the engine that run smooth, quiet, no misfire. But it will be misfire after you run the cooling, the head gasket lid. So really that you don't need to do the compression test because engine running fine.